Hey there guys, today's video is going to be showing you everything that is in the 2019 Spring CAUSEBOX. If you're not familiar with CAUSEBOX, it is a quarterly subscription box full of ethically made products, and everything in here is also vegan as well. And the companies that include their products in CAUSEBOX, a lot of the proceeds that they make actually go to help certain causes as well, hence CAUSEBOX. So I think you're gonna enjoy seeing this. I know what some of you are thinking. Arianna, you're a minimalist. Why are you talking about a subscription box? I will say that most subscription boxes go against my idea of minimalism. We've talked about before that minimalism is living intentionally, ridding in your life, what keeps you from doing that. Now, everything in this box, specifically CAUSEBOX, is something that is going to resonate with me because one, it's ethically made, and a lot of the companies in this box help specific causes as well. That's something I'm passionate about, and it's something that I don't mind putting my money towards. The lighting is going to be changing in this video a lot, so I apologize in advance. We're just using the good old sun here. Even if there is something in this box that I don't specifically think that I would wear or use, I have something that is ethically made that I can give away as a gift and spend a fraction of the cost on, because you get a good deal on these CAUSEBOXes for everything that's in them. Every box, they actually have a designer help them design the box as well, which is pretty cool. This first thing right here is I'm going to use the pamphlet to talk about each of the items. This is by Glass Ladder & Co., an exclusively designed and PETA approved vegan leather portfolio clutch, stylishly designed for work and play. It has a lot of space in it. It has room for a few cards, if you wanted a notepad, pens down here, like for, I don't know, letters. Like, it's designed for work or play, like it was said. And it also has this little pocket on the outside too, which is pretty cool. Really nice, and I can tell that it's very high quality. The stitching is really well done on it as well. I'm gonna try and find the prices of all of these and then give you like a total at the end of what the price of each of these individual products are versus what my husband paid for the box. He actually surprised me with this. I didn't know that he had ordered the spring one for me, but it came today in the mail. I was like, I'm doing a video on it. All right, next product is this right here, and this says CAUSEBOX, a combination mask and scrub made from bamboo extract designed to achieve clinical results with natural ingredients. So like I said, you don't get samples in this box. You get full size. So this is what it looks like. Bamboo brightening mask. I'll have to try it out. I actually don't use any products on my face. It has the cruelty-free emblem right on there. Yeah, I don't use anything on my face. I get that question quite a bit, like, Arianna, do you use anything on your face? I use good old water. But I will have to try this out and see. I do have a little bit of redness, some darker spots, and some dry spots, so maybe this would help out with that. So next up, this is called the Freedom Bracelet, I believe. It is by Marina de Bucci. Hopefully I said that right. A gold-plated bracelet that symbolizes freedom and supports the effort to abolish human trafficking through charity partners. So it sounds like a portion of the money that they make from these goes to a charity partner that helps to abolish human trafficking. So that is a great cause and definitely one that I can get behind supporting as well. Okay, so next we have this super soft Cleo Bella scarf. I believe you got to choose, if you pay yearly, you get to choose actually some of like specific colors for things that you get in your box. So this is by Cleo Bella, like I said, and it is vegan silk. It is not made of real silk, but it does feel like it. An ultra versatile, lightweight spring scarf made from vegan silk, inspired by global designs and female empowerment. So I've actually never worn like a legitimate scarf before. I don't know if wearing a scarf would be exactly, I don't even know how to style a scarf. Could this be me? Could I make a scarf work? Yes or no? Like winter scarves I've obviously worn. I don't really wear them here in North Carolina anymore, but back in Illinois I wore them all the time. Maybe I could pull off a spring scarf, not with like a t-shirt, obviously, but definitely very nice and very soft. Next up is the Kalos Rose Water Hydra Mist. This is something I'm actually excited to try. I've been wanting to try rose water. I've heard good things about it. So this is inspired by a generational rose water recipe and designed to provide a moment of peace and refreshment with every spritz. So this is like a big bottle too. This would last a while, I assume. Okay, so next up is this Attitude, a 100% organic bamboo Lysol Lysol would be very bad and not good for you. Lyocell sleep mask made from an earth-friendly fabric that also happens to be the softest material we've ever felt. So this is like just a bamboo sleep mask, I guess. I've never slept with a sleep mask, so I might do that one as a gift to someone that I know likes sleep masks. This is by the company called Wild, a powerful yet gentle exfoliating facial sponge made from renewable plant root and French pink clay, baked to perfection like a great cookie. This actually sounds cool, and I might try it out and see what it's like. This is what it looks like. You can see it's like porous, and it feels like a foot pumice, but like a softer foot pumice. I'm not sure how this would feel on my face, but I assume putting it underwater maybe makes it a little softer. It comes with this little tiny string in it too, so you can hang it. And then of course you get a postcard. I think you get a postcard in every box that has the artist's artwork on the front. So this CAUSEBOX was designed by, I'm gonna get her name wrong, Olja Horvat. She's a Slovenian illustrator. And so you get this little postcard with her artwork on the front. And then the last item, which is something I'm really excited about because you guys who follow my vlog channel know that I've been getting more interested in plants and having plants in our house. This is by Ultru, the perfect macrame plant hanger to bring a touch of green into your house and support an effort to plant trees in parts of California that were recently ravaged by wildfires. I'm sure most of you, at least those of you in the US, are very aware of the wildfires that just took over California. They were really bad. So it sounds like the proceeds from purchasing this right here actually goes towards planting trees in those areas in California. It's really pretty, super sturdy. Like I would have no fears of hanging like a good, decent sized weighted planter in this for sure. I don't even know if you guys can tell from just looking in the video just how sturdy this is, like really well made. So I just took a quick break to do a little tally. I tallied up to $270. I had a hard time finding a couple things, like specifically finding this item. So they say that the box is worth over $300. You pay $50 for it. So I would say even if it's only $270 worth of stuff, still definitely worth it. This alone right here, the vegan leather clutch, is about 120 bucks. So you get your money's worth with this alone. So I decided I'm actually going to give away this little bamboo mask to one of you guys. So if you want to win it, let me know down in the comments below what was the item in this CAUSEBOX that was of most interest to you, and that will go ahead and enter you in. Just one comment per person. I will leave it open for a week, and this is going to be on both Facebook and YouTube. So if you want double the chance to win, comment in both places, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.